Black holes, they're mysterious, powerful, and a little terrifying, but have you ever wondered, why do they look like that? At the center of a black hole is the singularity, a point of infinite density. Light can't escape this region, which is why the middle of a black hole is completely dark. No light, no visuals, just a void. Surrounding this dark center is what's known as the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Anything that crosses it gets pulled into the black hole and can't escape. But here's where things get interesting. Black holes have insane gravity. It's so strong that it bends space itself, and even light. The bright ring you see around a black hole, that's light from nearby stars, gas, and dust that's being warped around the event horizon. This is called the accretion disk. As matter gets sucked in, it heats up to millions of degrees, glowing super bright in X-ray wavelengths. This makes the surrounding area of the black hole light up, while the center remains dark. That ring of light? It's also a result of something called gravitational lensing. Essentially, the black hole's gravity is so strong it bends light around it, creating that surreal glowing halo. In some images, you might even see multiple rings. This is the light being bent more than once. So why do black holes look like that? It's all because of extreme gravity, bending light, and glowing hot material that's on its way to disappearing forever. The universe is full of wonders, and black holes are just one of its most mind-bending phenomena. Want to dive deeper into space? Hit that subscribe button for more cosmic curiosities.